Hello, my name's Jimmy, and I'm happy. Except I can't find my friend. Can you help me find him? He's not that big. He's a bit big, but I don't know where he's gone. I don't know. I'm actually kind of hiding from him. Oh, hi there, Bob. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck?
See, Ivy. Ivy. Huh? What the? Shut up! 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 I'm dead.